Greetings children, welcome to my channel Inside Accountancy by Shakun. Today we'll be talking about Chapter 4 Change in Profit Sharing Ratio. The contents of this video will be change in PSR, preparation of revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet step by step with the help of an example based on it. Change in profit sharing ratio, as I've already explained, means when the existing partners decide to change the ratio in which they are sharing the profits and losses, and this leads to the dissolution of the partnership agreement, not the firm. We have already discussed the first three issues which must be considered at the time of reconstitution of the firm, that is, determination of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio, accounting of goodwill, accounting of reserves, and revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities in relation to the preparation of revaluation account and net effect has also been discussed. For more details, please click on the I button and you will be guided towards those tutorials. So today we'll be talking about the revaluation of assets and reassessment of liabilities only, in which we will learn how to make the partner's capital account and the balance sheet. Basically, we'll learn how to solve a full-fledged question. Moving on. Preparation of revaluation account, partners capital and balance sheet. Before we move on, we should first have an idea about the specimen of revaluation account, or we also call it profit and loss adjustment account. So you can see on the screen, the format has been mentioned here. On the debit side, we mention the decrease in assets and increase in liability. And on the credit side, all increase in asset and decrease in liability is mentioned. In case of any expenditure that the firm is bearing, the revaluation account is debited, and in case of any remuneration to be paid to the partner, again the revaluation account is debited. So basically the revaluation account is debited for all decrease in asset and increase in liability and the remuneration and expense, and it is credited for increase in asset and decrease in liability. When we balance it, we'll either have profit or we'll have loss. Either of the one figure will be there, and it will always be distributed in the old ratio. Since these revaluations of the assets and liabilities are made at the time of change in profit sharing ratio and they relate to the period before the change, therefore it should be divided in the old ratio. Moving on, let's understand this with the help of an example. You can see this is a full-fledged question where a balance sheet is given to you, and it is mentioned that the partners have decided to change their profit sharing ratio to 3:5. Goodwill has to be calculated in the question, as you can see from the adjustment which is given here, and machinery and stock are revalued, and there is claim also given. So before we start attempting, you need to see, or you need to look at the balance sheet and identify the various reserves, the workman compensation reserve or accumulated losses. So in this question, if we look at the balance sheet, we can see general reserve, we can see workman compensation reserve and advertisement suspense account. So any accumulated profits or reserves, they have to be properly accounted for. They must be written off in their old ratio. Please note, employee provident fund is also given here, but this is the outside liability. It is not written off between the partners in the old ratio. Many of the students, they make this mistake, they write it off and their question gets wrong. So please don't do that. Now I'll be solving this question step by step with you. I hope it will be clear. Let's start. Okay, so we'll solve the question step by step. The balance sheet of X and Y who share profits and losses as 5:3, that is the old ratio, as at 1st April 2016 is given to you. Now, if you look at the balance sheet, a lot of items are given and you need to identify, as I already told, the reserves and accumulated profits and losses. So, general reserve is given. EPF is not a reserve. It is outside liability. We won't write it off. Workman compensation reserve is given and advertisement suspense account is given. So, these three you have to remember to write them off while preparing the partner's capital account. On the above date, they decided to change their profit sharing ratio to 3:5. This one is the new ratio, and agreed upon that the goodwill be valued on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of the last 3 years, and the 3 years profit is given. Machinery and stock to be revalued at these values, and claim on account of workmen compensation is 6,000. So before we proceed to making the revaluation account, the partner's capital and the balance sheet, we'll make the working notes first. Let's have a look at the working notes. I've already made that. I'll just discuss it with you. So just have a look at these working notes. First, we need to calculate the sacrifice or gaining ratio. Since the old ratio is given, the new ratio is given, the sacrificing ratio can be calculated by subtracting the new from the old. So old minus new is the formula that we apply. If it is positive, that is in case of X, 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8, 2 by 8, this is positive, so this is sacrifice. And in case of Y, it is negative, so that is the gain. So after we calculate the value of sacrifice or gain, the next step will be to calculate the value of new goodwill. So goodwill was equal to the number of purchase into average profit, since it was written that it is to be based on average profit. So the average profit is 6,000. The number of purchase was given as 2. So 6,000 into 2, 12,000 is the value of goodwill. The next treatment or the next working note would be the adjustment of goodwill. See, we have calculated the sacrificing or gaining ratio. We have found out the value of goodwill. Now we need to know that X being the sacrificing partner should be credited with what amount, and Y being the gaining partner should be debited with what amount. So 12,000 is the amount of goodwill into the proportion of gain and sacrifice, 2 by 8 and 3 by 8. So after we look at this entry, since Y is the gaining partner, so Y's capital account should be debited and X's capital account should be credited. So this would be the entry for goodwill in case of X and Y. Y being the gaining partner is debited and X being the sacrificing partner is credited. So this will be the entry. We'll do the posting later on, and the amount will be 3,000 each. So I am not writing the amount here. Now let's move on to the preparation of revaluation account and partners capital and balance sheet. Now I always suggest my students that whenever they have to make all the accounts together, they should always start with the balance sheet, put all that is given here, and then move on to balancing all the accounts together. So the first thing that we take from the balance sheet is we take the capitals of X and Y. So since the capitals are mentioned in the partner's capital account, so I mention here by balance brought down. So in case of X, it is 52,000, and in case of Y, it is 54,000. So we've written the balances. Then move on to the reserves and the accumulated profits. So we have three here: general reserve, workmen compensation reserve, and we have advertisement suspense. So general reserve and workmen compensation reserve are given on the liability side. They have a CR balance. They should be written off by debiting them, and partners should be credited. So anything that appears on the liability side goes to the credit side of partners capital account. So I'll write here by general reserve and by workmen compensation reserve. Now general reserve amount that is given is 4,800. This 4,800 will be divided in the old ratio, that is 5:3, thereby giving us the amounts 3,000 and 1,800. Now regarding workmen compensation reserve, if the adjustment was not given, then the full 10,000 would have been distributed. But since the adjustment is given regarding workmen compensation, the claim is how much? 6,000. The workmen compensation reserve is 10. So 10 minus 6, what is left? We are left with 4,000, and that 4,000 can be distributed between the partners in the old ratio, which amounts to 2,500 and 1,500. So workmen compensation reserve is also distributed. Next, from the balance sheet only, we can see advertisement suspense. Since it is given on the asset side, it will be mentioned on the debit side. So to advertisement suspense account. So the amount is 800. It will be divided in the old ratio, that is 5:3. So 500 and 300 is the amount which is debited to X and Y. We also have another thing mentioned on the asset side, that is goodwill. Now since this is the old goodwill should always be written off in the old ratio. So this goodwill will be written off in the old ratio. The amount would be, since it is 8,000, again in the old ratio the amounts to be debited will be 5,000 and 3,000. So this much we have done. Then moving on, now let's from the balance sheet, we have given a proper treatment to all accumulated profits and reserves. We've written the balances also, the opening balances of capital. Now let's move to the adjustments. The first adjustment was regarding the goodwill, okay, and Y was the gaining partner in this case. We have already talked about the working note, and Y was the gaining partner and X was the sacrificing partner. So our entry was Y capital debit to X capital. Now since Y is being debited in the name of X, therefore here we are going to write to X capital. Since Y is going to be debited in the name of X, so 2X capital, and the amount will be written under Y, and the amount that we calculated was 3,000. So this is the entry for new goodwill. Abhi the posting has not been done yet. Our entry was Y to X. Now X is to be credited. X is to be credited in the name of Y. So by Y capital, now X has to be credited, therefore amount we are writing under X. So we've just done the posting of this entry Y to X. So the posting has been done, the amounts have been put. So rest everything has been done from the first entry. The second entry is machinery and stock to be revalued at 45 and 8,000 respectively. Now look at machinery. The cost was, the book value was 38,000, and now the value he's saying is 45,000. So the machinery value is increasing from 38 to 45. There is an increase of 7,000. So since it is an increase, it is mentioned on the credit side of revaluation account. So by machinery, I've written the increase here, that is 7,000. Then let's talk about stock. The stock's value earlier was 7. Now it is 8. Again, stock is also increasing. So that also we will mention on the credit side. By stock, the stock is increasing by 1,000. So we've mentioned that as well. Moving on, claim on account of workman compensation is 6,000. Now this claim was subtracted from the reserve and then the amount was distributed amongst the partners. But this is a liability also. So I'm going to mention it on the liability side. Claim for workman compensation reserve. So the claim amount is how much? The claim amount is 6,000, which is a liability. I mentioned it on the liability side. So now I think I have put all the transaction. I can go ahead and balance my accounts. So I will write here, first I'll balance my revaluation account to profit transferred to partners capital account. Who are the partners? X and Y. So for X and Y, the total amount, when we do the totaling, the total amount is 8,000 on the credit side. We write the greater total on both sides. And the balancing figure is also 8, and this 8,000 will be distributed between X and Y in the ratio of the old ratio, that is 5:3. So the amount is 5,000 and for Y it will be 3,000, and the balancing figure, the profit, total profit was 8,000. So we have done the balancing of revaluation account. After we do the balancing, this profit has to be transferred to the partners capital account. Since it appears on the debit side in revaluation, in partners capital it will appear on the credit side. By revaluation account, the amount is 5,000 and 3,000. So we have shown the profit also here. So now I think we have mentioned everything in this account. We have mentioned the opening balance, general reserve, workman compensation reserve, the profit on revaluation, and the adjustment entry for goodwill has been done. And on the debit side, advertisement suspense, goodwill, and Again, excess capital, the adjustment entry. Now we can start doing the total. Let's find out the total of the credit side. The credit side total is 65,500 for X, and for Y it is 60,300. So the same amount of total will be mentioned on the debit side also. Then we find out the balancing figure by subtracting the debit side from this, and our balancing figure comes out to be 60,000 for X and 54,000 for Y, and this is the balancing figure. So to balance carried down as you normally do. So our partner's capital is done. Now moving on to balance sheet. So for making the balance sheet, you can refer to the old balance sheet and pick up the items from there. So first is X capital. X capital, the closing capital that we just found out was 60,000. For Y also we found out the closing capital, that was 54,000. Then the next thing given here was general reserve. We've already written it off, so it will not come in the new balance sheet. Then we have sundry creditors. Now you have to check whether the value has increased or decreased. Regarding sundry creditors, no adjustment was given. Therefore, the same amount of balance will be written here. So sundry creditors are given to you as 5,000. Okay, so sundry creditors is 5,000. Moving on, we have EPF. EPF is an outside liability, so it was not written off, remember. So that amount will be written here, 1,000. Then our liability side is over. Workman compensation reserve is also written off, but I've written the claim for workman compensation. Moving to the asset side, goodwill is written off. Machinery will be written at the new value, and the new value was 45,000. We are incorporating the increase in the machinery. Earlier it was 38, now it is 45. Then we have furniture, but there was no increase in the value of or decrease in the value of furniture. So we are writing the same amount, 15,000. Regarding sundry debtors also, there was no change. So debtors are also shown at the same value, that is 33,000. Stock, there was a change. So stock will be shown at the new value by increasing 1,000. So 8,000 will be shown here under stock. Then the next item is bank. So bank also again no change. So bank will be mentioned at 25,000. Advertisement suspense we have already written off. Now when we find out the total of the balance sheet, the total is 1,26,000 on the liability side and 1,26,000 on the asset side. So since the total is same for both, our question is complete. So kindly do the question like this. This helps in saving a lot of time. Usually such questions take a lot of time and students end up missing out on their other questions. So my tip to you would be, always do the question simultaneously. You should simultaneously be making all the three accounts, and then in the end you should be balancing. Some students, what they do is they make the revaluation account first. They read the whole question first, make the revaluation. They read the question again, make the partner's capital. Then they read the question again, and then they make the balance sheet. If you notice, I did not read the question again and again. I just read it once, and as and when the transactions were coming, I started putting in revaluation and partner's capital account, and later I did the balancing for all. So this is the way how a question should be done. So in this video, we have talked about change in PSR, preparation of revaluation account, partner's capital account and balance sheet. I virtually solved it with you. I hope that is clear, along with an example of course. So if the content was clear to you, kindly like my video, show some love, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button in case you want to get notified. In case of any queries, you can contact me on my email ID or leave a comment in the comment section below. If you feel there is any scope for improvement, kindly be liberal with your comments and you can put the same in the comment box. Thank you.